So, so the drawing that we draw, everything looks the same except that this line, like basically this line type, is not showing itself in our drawing. So if I get back to here, you see that if I select them, they are in the right light layer, they have the right line type. Everything's supposed to be good except that it doesn't show it here. So what I should do? Basically, this is what we call the line type scale. That's the scale that you get to this drawing in order to show the scale, the line type correctly. If I type LT, and that's going to be the second option, LT scale. If I go to the T scale, right now the T scale for this drawing is basically 1. What if I go with like a 10? For this drawing, because it's like a 200 feet, 200, like at least 200 feet long, 10 is not going to help me again. If I go a little bit more than that, so let's say, for example, make it 50. Now all of a sudden, all the line weight start to showing itself. Still, it's not that good because it's very tiny, and I want them to be a little bit larger. So I'm going to go with the 100. And as you can see, this line here, which is a drainage, is not in the right layer. So I'm going to select it, and here from the top down menu, and bring it to the drain fill. And as you can see, everything looks good. Sometimes, for example, I don't want that B to be very very smaller. And if I change the LT scale for a whole drawing, that's going to affect these lines here, which I'm completely satisfied with. So the other option I have when the LT scale is good and some of the like a line is not showing correctly, what I can do is that I can select that specific line and I start changing the line type scale from the menu properties. I mean, you already know that. It's just using this right click and then go with the properties, and in the property menu I can change the line type scale to, for example, let's say here we're gonna change that to 10, and it's a little bit too big, but let's say, for example, 3, and 3 is something that, well, compared to what I have in my drawing set, oh, still a little bit big. So let's go and then change that one to 2 maybe, and then 2 is better and it presents itself in the same format. So you get the point. If you're trying to define the line type scale, the LT scale is your main source. You do it for the whole drawing set, and then but you can't fix it for all the lines in your drawings, and in order to fix that you have to select those objects or elements and then try to fix the line type scale specifically for that line.